with another airsoft review. This is the gun that comes with the Stinger S32P airsoft shotgun. You can watch that video if you go to the videos beside this and find the video. It'll be a little Stinger S32P review. Click on that, make sure it's by Hobbytron Fan, and watch it. Now, this gun, the safety right there, flip that on, flip it off. You click right here to release the magazine. There you go, magazine, spring, you know, like every other one. I found the magazine at Walmart for $5.49, I think, so not too much. It's a spring-loaded pistol, so you have to cock it, fire it, cock it, fire it. So it's kind of like cock. It looks sort of like a 9mm pistol to me, but I'm not sure. Right. It has the sight where you line the little tiny thing up with your target and fire, and it's clear. See, you can see all the inside stuff. It's got a accessory rail right here. I'm thinking about getting a laser sight for it, but they're very expensive. So, it's camo just like my shotgun, and it doesn't say J on it, but my neighbor put J on all his stuff that I bought from him. So, pretty good gun. Alright, well, not really much to this gun. So.